Behold, the wily beast princess. Once she was the jewel of the kingdom, always laughing, always merry.
What happened?
100 moons ago, an evil wizard desired her hoof in marriage, because obviously she is the most beautiful wily beast in the world.
Obviously.
When the princess refused to marry him, the wizard was so angry. He cast a spell on her. The spell took away all her feelings, so she would never be able to love or feel love again, even by her father, the king.
How sad.
Yes, but now...
I'll never see my friends again. I'll never see Smurfettes smiling, or Clumsy tripping, or Papa Smurf just being Papa Smurf.
Farewell, poem. I set out on a journey for the sake of poetry. I did not stop to tell you just how much you meant to me. For I could not imagine as I hurried out my door that fate would sentence me to never look upon you more. Oh, if I could but return to you an hour or a day, I'd tell you all the Smurfy things my heart now longs to say. And if one moment only I were